Hello everyone, welcome to You Self Study. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you all about atomic mass and atomic number. Let us begin. So generally, an element is represented like this: X with A written on the top and Z written on the bottom. X represents the symbol of the element. A represents the mass number of the element, while Z represents the atomic number of that element. For example, an element of sodium is written like this: Na, which is the symbol of a sodium, 23 written on the top, which is the mass number of sodium, and 11 written at the bottom, which is the atomic number. With the introduction out of the way, first let's focus on atomic number. I will use sodium atom to explain what atomic number is. First, let us draw the structure of a sodium atom. Earlier, we learned that atomic number of sodium is 11. But why is that so? Inside the nucleus, we have 11 protons and 12 neutrons. Did you notice that atomic number and the number of protons have the same value? Well, that's because they are the same thing. The word atomic number and the number of protons are used interchangeably. So, we define atomic number as the number of protons present in the nucleus of an element. With atomic number out of the way, let us talk about mass number. If we add the number of protons and the neutron together, you are going to get a number. That number is what we call mass number. In other words, the sum of proton and neutron give mass number. For example, the number of protons in oxygen atom is 8. Also, the number of neutrons is also 8. If we add them together, we got 16. 16 is our mass number. The mass number can also be called atomic mass, just like the way atomic number is also called number of protons. Let us write what is happening here in sentence to form our definition. Mass number is the sum of the proton and neutron. Now, because this is a definition, let us add a little more details. Where can we find the proton and neutron? Right, inside the nucleus. So let me add present in the nucleus of the atom. So atomic mass is defined as the sum of the proton and neutron present in the nucleus of an atom. Under this topic, you can be asked to find the number of protons, the number of neutrons, or the atomic mass. To do this, you just have to understand or to remember this formula. P plus N is equals to M, where P is the proton, N is the neutron, and M is the mass number. Now let's say we are given a problem that the mass number of chlorine atom is 35.5 and the atomic number is 17, and asked to find the number of neutrons. Now we are going to substitute this value into our formula to get our number of neutrons. So we have 17 plus N is equals to 35.5. Let's collect like term. N is equals to 35.5 minus 17. Therefore, N is equals to 18.5. Now, this is the number of neutrons. You can do the same if you are told to find the number of proton or the mass number by just using the formula. This will be the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching.